Hey guys, Eric G from Around the House. Check out my latest project. I've been working this winter with my brother Scott on the beach house in Cannon Beach. This is some serious dry rot. You know, a little backstory, this home had tarps on it for what was about 20 years, and the damage was done, but we're able to save it. I think these single pane windows were actually holding up the header. This thing really moved. Now for the test. Let's see how easy the header comes out when we remove these 2x4s. I'm happy we supported the roof before we started. This is ugly.
All right, now the question, Scott, is, was the glass holding the header up? Let's find out. What happens when you take that out of there? Oh, barely. Barely. Oh, it was the trim. Timber. Wow. I'm out here putting some new windows in at the Cannon Beach project, and you know something? Make sure you do your flashing correctly. You start at the bottom, work your way out so everything's overlapping so you don't have any leaks, because you can put the most beautiful windows, doors, and siding on, and if you didn't flash it right, you're gonna have leaks, which means dry rot, and you get to do it all over again. So take a look at this stuff. Thanks to Grip-Rite here in their window and door protector. This stuff's really cool, works good, and boy, you can't tell that you didn't flash it with this red. It sticks out, which is great, and that shows that you did it right. So check this stuff out. I gotta go back to putting some windows in. Have a great day. Check this stuff out.